Right, listen up. This isn't just theory. This is the backbone of why you keep winning or keep sabotaging yourself without realizing it. You're not here to learn strategies. You're here to own them, to install them, to rip out the bullshit buggy software and patch in something faster, cleaner, smarter and true to your soul. So let's go. What the hell is an NLP strategy? It's a step-by-step mental algorithm that your brain runs when you do anything. It's not abstract, it's literal. You don't just decide to feel confident, you run a script. Maybe it's picture something, hear a voice, feel your chest expand, say I got this. Or you screw yourself, hear a negative voice, shrink your posture, recall an embarrassment, feel like shit. That's a strategy. You're already doing this every second. Let me chunk this down like I'm talking to a badass 5-year-old genius version of you. When you tie your shoes, you run a visual kinesthetic loop. You see the laces, you move your fingers. You know what comes next, you feel done. When you get mad at someone, mental movie of betrayal, internal dialogue they shouldn't have. The rise of an emotion and a behaviour. When you fall in love, an image of them, an internal voice, they're different. A feeling in the gut, a smile. You do romantic shit. Every emotion, every decision, every fucking result you get, it's built on a stack of inner sequences. Now let's burn in the beliefs. If I can map a strategy, I can change it. Every behaviour has a code. If it's coded, it's hackable. I am the operator, not the program. You can deconstruct fear. You can reconstruct confidence. You can model success from someone else and inject it into your system like mental stem cells. So how do we do that? First, elicit the strategy. Ask, how exactly do you know when you feel unmotivated? What do you see, hear, say, feel inside when you're making that bad decision? Where in your body does the doubt start? Is there an image before it? Boom, you're chunking down to structure, not content, not story, not bullshit, structure. Then break the pattern, interrupt it, scramble the damn thing. If they go visual, sound, feeling, mix that shit up. Feel, confusing sound, blurry image, laughter. Scrambling, it'll collapse the old identity, the old pathway. No more auto-sabotage loop. Then you install a new one. What do winners do? Find their strategy, model it, reverse engineer it. Confidence. Visual. See themselves winning. Auditory. Inner voice cheering or calm. Kinesthetic. Feeling of certainty in the solar plexus. Copy it, insert it, run it. What does science say? Your brain is a pattern recognition machine. Neural pathways fire in sequence, like dominoes. Change the order, you change the outcome. Neuroplasticity backs NLP. The more you rehearse a new mental sequence, the faster it becomes unconscious, automatic, you. Mirror neurons. That's your modelling system. When you observe someone doing something well, and you mentally simulate it, your brain is literally wiring that in. So why the fuck are you afraid to do this? Because your ego thinks change is death. You've linked being the same to survival, even if it's broken. You're scared they'll judge the new you. You're afraid of getting it wrong and looking stupid. You're addicted to old pain because it's predictable. So what? Move anyway. Act before you're ready. The fear dissolves after the first brave move, not before. So chunk up and chunk down. Big picture, small action. Chunk up. Why does this matter? Because every outcome in your life, love, wealth, health, it stems from a strategy. Change the strategy. Change the fucking game. Chunk down. Specific behavior. Mental movie. Emotion. Action. Swap the movie. Adjust the sound. Add laughter. Use colour. That's NLP sorcery. Criteria and value elicitation. The Holy Grail. Ask yourself, what's important to me about this? What does that give me? And what does that give me? You go from, I want money, to freedom, security, peace, love. That's your value chain. Now imagine leading someone. You said freedom is important to you, and the truth is, the strategy you're running is making you a fucking slave to your own loops. Ouch, that hits. That leads them. The karma of not doing this. You stay stuck, repeat old drama, attract dumb shit. Your relationships, same chaos. Your goals, same avoidance. Your self-worth, same damn script. And let's not pretend you're surprised. You know the cost of ignoring this. You feel it every time you procrastinate or shrink. So the spiritual slap in the face is this. You were given a goddamn consciousness. Use it to rewrite your operating system. Or stay in the cycle until life kicks your ass hard enough that you're forced to. Some examples of bad strategy loops. Procrastination. You get an image of a task, an internal voice, that's too much. A heavy body feeling. You scroll on your phone. Fix it. Image of the task done. Voice, I'll feel so good. Light breath. Action. Social anxiety. You hear your own shaky voice, imagine rejection, feel small and void. But fix it. You visualize friendly faces. Voice, they like me. Open chest, engage. Anger. You hear a tone. Flashback to an image. Tension, you lash out. The fix. Slow breath. Neutral tone. Imagine smiling. Soften body, respond. How do you pace and lead to change their mind? Start where they're at. I get it right now. It feels like nothing's working. Find their values. Because deep down, you want peace. You want to know you're enough. Then lead. And what if the only thing between that and now is learning a new internal recipe? What if that was it? Bang. You've connected, anchored, led. I own my mind. I'm the author of my behavior. I break loops. I build new code. I see my fears and I rewire them. I don't react. I strategize. Let this spiral deep into your unconscious. Let it upgrade the wiring, like a divine firmware update from the divine masculine download server. You don't need to understand everything now. Just know it's already running. And from this point forward, you don't think in problems. You think in strategies. Now go run your goddamn code.